according to the historians, that's the best recollection we have. Oleg Mojere was a very good friend of ours. He was the director. And we're delighted to be back here again. We have been in Brest and Lorient a few times over the years since then. And we're delighted to be back here again. You could talk all day about music, I suppose, but I think it's much better to play it than talk about it. So we thought we might play one tune and maybe a song, and then if you have any questions, we'd be happy to try to answer them. Thanks very much. So,
Die begrijpje, dat is de mannen maken, geleerd, en de zwaarste gaat zo Darian. Kom maar.
Dat ben ik eerlijk. We don't normally do a public performance of tuning up, so you're witnessing something unique now. E minor and A minor, yeah. We play two reels, two traditional Irish dance tunes.